Fight!
A new top spec Calligraphy Night Edition trim joins the Palisade lineup for 2024 and wears blacked out exterior trim, unique black wheels, black roof rails, and a black leather interior. Dual zone front and single zone rear automatic climate control features are now standard on the base SE trim. The Trvaerse enters a new generation for the 2024 model year, complete with a rugged new look and a new Z71 off-road trim. The racy-looking RS trim replaces the Premier and High Country models as the range topper this year and wears 22-inch wheels, a sportier suspension tune, and black exterior trim. All Palisades comes with a 3.8-liter six-cylinder engine that outputs 291 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque, and is connected to an 8-speed auto transmission. The Palisade has an MPG rating of 19 City 26 Highway for front-wheel drive and 19 City 24 Highway for all-wheel drive. With a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, you can get one of these starting at $36,650 for the SE to $53,850 for the Calligraphy Night. With a starting price of $38,995 for the LT trim to $57,595 for the RS. All Trvaerse comes with a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. Like the Palisade, this too comes with an 8-speed auto and a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. However, the Trvaerse's MPG rating is 18 City 27 Highway for front-wheel drive and 17 City 25 Highway for all-wheel drive. Compared to the Trvaerse, the Palisade has an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster as opposed to the 11-inch that the Trvaerse has available. Despite not being as rugged, the Palisade actually have better ground clearance at 8 inches. The Palisade has many premium attributes, and the interior is one of them, as it is filled with fancy design elements. One of the Palisade's bad attribute is most definitely its non-responsive handling. With many bigger SUV opting out for hybrid or PHEV powertrains as options, it is surprising that the Palisade hasn't. Even the Trvaerse seems to be going hybrid for next year. Its outdoorsy XRT trim is another thing to complain about, as it provides no added off-road benefits and only adds glossy black trims and rims. Although the Trvaerse has a higher starting price, the cabin is bigger than the Palisade with more leg and headroom for passengers. It also comes with more and better standard tech features like HD surround vision and remote start. Unlike the XRT, the Z71 comes with better off-road tires, skid plates, hill descent control, and others. As mentioned, the Trvaerse comes with a higher starting price than the Palisade, and it too has numb steering. It is not going to be very responsive around corners. Unlike the Palisade that comes with many trims, the Trvaerse only comes with 3 trims, as it is not very accommodating for a wide audience. In summary, the Palisade doesn't come with as many standard features as the Trvaerse, and is a bit smaller inside. However, the top trim Palisade, which is still cheaper than the top trim Trvaerse, will get you all the premium features and material you will ever need. The Trvaerse is a better option for people who prefers to buy the lowest trim for their cars. It is also better for off-roading, as the Z71 trim will be more beneficial off-road than the outdoorsy XRT trim. Those with big families should also be more comfortable in the Trvaerse. Which one would you drive? In the past, I actually was thinking of getting my hands on the Palisade because you don't have to spend a lot to get a taste of all the premium features it has available. Now, however, I would get the Z71 Trvaerse because I just love the ruggedness of it,